Good morning, my friends. We have a very, very busy day ahead of us today. Number one, first things first, today is the day that we picked the winner for the electric blue Evo 9 that we built over the last few weeks. Today's the day that we picked the winner. So I'm very excited for that. And then number two, our new warehouse space, new shop space that we just moved into, we need to get this place fully operational so we can continue on with the NSX project. I gotta finish the Supra project. Well, that wasn't really a project. I gotta fix the hood that I messed up painting. Evo 8, the yellow 8 needs some love, primarily taking our turbo from this size and making it this size. What else? That might be it. So let's get to work. Picking the winner tonight is at 6 p.m. and it's currently 8 a.m. So let's get the shop done first. Come on, lights. There we go. This is gonna go against the door because I don't really use that back door. Right here is going to get another shelf, only an 8-foot section right here. All of this is gonna go on top of the shelf. Hopefully we have time to do all new lights and run all of the air. I think that's feasible. All right, it's about 5 hours later. Here is what we have going on. So I got this shelf up, bunch of wheels and tires up top because I don't really mess with those much. And then we have 2 more shelves for extra storage. I decided to go 60-inch height on that shelf there so we could fit all of this underneath. Pressure washer is mounted up on the wall right near the heated water. So it's gonna be nice to wash cars with heated water. Over here, I was hoping to not have to put equipment on this wall, but there was nowhere else to put it. So the tire machine's here, press here. Blast cabinet got moved sideways, and that section right there is going to be the stripper tank. That shelf didn't change. Workbench is now moved from that side to this side. Toolbox in the same location. Got the bolt bin moved over. That was a little bit hairy, but ended up doing it without dropping all the hardware. And here is the oil shelf and the paint shelf. Now all that we have left is new lighting. We're only doing new lighting on the work side. On the storage side, don't really care about having bright lights over there. And then we need to run air lines and all the air reels. I'll probably put a reel here, or maybe I'll pull it over and mount it on the lift. Haven't decided yet. Either option's good. And then we need air over there for the sandblast cabinet and for the tire machine. But it's now time to go ahead, jump on Instagram Live and pick the winner for the Evo 9. This beautiful car right here. Curious where this thing's gonna go. Big turbo for the case swap. Ooh. Maybe. What about 2 big turbos for the case swap? All right. Y'all ready for this? Oh man. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. Generate. 47278. 47278. Let me confirm. 47278. Oh boy, hopefully this thing is legal in California. Luke Moya from Fresno, California. My man Luke from Fresno, 47278. Congratulations, Luke Moya from Fresno, California. All right. Just got Luke's phone number. He emailed back within 3 minutes. Let's give him a call. I love calling the winners of cars, man. It's one of my favorite things to do.
Hello?
Hey, is this Luke?
Yes.
Luke, what's up, brother? It's Devin.
What's up?
I'm guessing you saw the live stream, or were you in it?
I was at work, actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
I Oh my God.
Yeah, dude, you're the winner of the car.
Wow. I saw the email and I was like, Devin? Who is Devin? And I was like, oh, I entered the giveaway.
That's so funny. How'd you find out about the giveaway?
Actually, I barely started watching you because of the NSX.
Okay.
And then I seen your previous videos,
Yeah.
and the way you build cars is spot on.
Thank you, man.
Spot on.
I appreciate that. You have two options, either the car or the cash. Sounds like you probably want the car, but I could be wrong.
Yes, I do want the car.
Okay, I figured. And then, I don't know if you were following the Instagram, but I offered a few different sets of wheels on the car.
Yes.
Didn't you know which wheel setup you wanted?
I'm debating between the TEs or the ZE40s.
Okay.
I love both.
Yeah, they both look great.
The TEs, they're 18 by 10, correct?
Correct. Yeah, 18 by 10. I want to say they were 35 mil offset.
I'll probably pick the ZE40s.
Z40s. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody has TEs, got to be a little different.
Yeah, I feel that. Perfect, man. That's awesome. Heck yeah, dude. Well, I will send you, it's called a winner affidavit that the lawyers need you to fill out. So fill that out, get that sent back. There's still a few things I need to finish up on the car. I haven't polished it yet, so I was going to have it polished. And what else? I have a list of a few little things, charge the AC and whatnot, just minor things, so it's all good to go when it gets to you. Was this your first giveaway you've entered? It looks like it was.
Yes.
That's crazy, dude. That is insane.
And well, I was just watching one of the videos and maybe I'll just enter it. I don't really enter giveaways at all.
Yeah. That's crazy, man. Well, congrats. That's super awesome.
My hands are like numb.
What kind of car do you have now?
I have an S2000 right now.
Oh, that's so sick.
Yeah.
Nice.
And I actually work at an Acura dealership as a tech.
Okay, that's cool, man.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, that's awesome. Congratulations. Yeah, I'll get this winter affidavit sent out to you, and then we'll pretty much go from there. I'm in the middle of moving shops right now, so I'll try to get this thing wrapped up as soon as I can. And then shippers usually take like 4 to 5 days to pick it up.
Okay.
And then I'm guessing you want it shipped down to you. You don't care to fly up and drive it home.
Yeah, I probably want it shipped.
Yeah. Okay. Is this thing legal there in Fresno? Or are they pretty strict or? Well, boys, I started hanging up the new lights. So there's going to be 2 strips of 4, so 8 total new lights going in on this side. Now, it's a little bit funny. I don't know why they did this. It's kind of annoying, I guess, if you care about symmetry. But if you look on this side of the shop, there's 4 lights that they installed. And if you look on this side, there's 8 lights they installed. So no matter what we do, and obviously they're not like parallel, they're all offset. So no matter what we do, it's not going to look the same on both sides, but it's going to be nice and bright over here. And that side is plenty bright already for all those cars. All of the lights are installed. Now let's see, did we get all of it wired right, some of it, or none of it? Let's flip the switch. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything works as it should, and as you can see, it is a lot brighter in this shop. Yeah, that is nice, man. Look at all the light we have to work. It's especially important when working underneath cars on the lift to be able to see properly. This side is still plenty bright. It'd be much cooler if it was that bright. The lights I installed are very expensive, and I don't own this shop, so I don't see a reason to invest thousands more dollars to put more lights in for the other side. We only have 2 things left to complete the shop. First thing is all the lifts, which are not in yet. Second thing is all the air lines. So let's do the air so that when the lifts come, the shop will be 100%. I do think, honestly, I'm just gonna leave those lights off. It's so bright on this side. I don't really need those on. Plus, I'll save a couple bucks a month in my power bill. There's still a few little things I do want to change with the setup of the new shop, but for the most part, this place is now fully operational and ready to get back to work. So a quick little breakdown of what I did for the airdrops. We have a reel there that will be for the blast cabinet and for the tire machines. I went ahead and slapped in a reel right there. That'll be nice for the lift. And then I also decided to put a reel on this corner by the door, just in case we need to air anything up outside. That'll be nice to have as well. 2-post lift right there, maybe angled a little bit more, but that is the general area of where it's gonna go. 4-post where the yellow Evo is, 4-post where the M3 is. Should be able to fit 2 cars on that side of the 4-post and 2 cars on that side, giving us space for 8 cars on that wall. You guys are almost talking me into doing another 2-post right here. So there'd be one right here so we can easily get access coming in through that door. Just right here. And then I might, if I do another one, which I might, it'd be just bam, bam right here so we can pull in this door and get on the 2-post here. Started moving everything 1 week ago and I'm finally moved in. Trying to get all of this stuff done yourself, man, it's a lot of work, especially when I didn't have the beautiful scissor lift that I have now. That whole shelf was set up and all those parts were stored with that little ladder right there. That alone, I think, took like 2 days. But yeah, this is it. This is my new space. 3,000 square feet should be enough for probably like 10 to 11, maybe 12 cars. All the tools, all the equipment, all the parts, everything we need to build stuff like this. And all of that. Going to wrap it up here, my friends. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you, my friends, in the next video. Goodbye.